Welcome to everyone. Today topic the green and virtual data center. So everyone, I am always talking virtual data related content. My channel name I don't know, so I am new video making now. So I am always making virtual related content and data center. So I hope you enjoy this my video all guys. So this girl বাহিরে দাঁড়ায় আছে stand up ছাতা umbrella and he waiting a Jaura auto. So everyone, not is this virtual data she needs, but I don't know. So everyone, so some talk mistake, but I am not expert English, so I trying good English speaking. So I am Jahid Khan quality English speaking always. So everyone, this green and virtual data center. So everyone, this is now this is now under bridge. So everyone, so this now up green under the white. So the green virtual data center. Everyone, so this is my store shutter. This is my computer. So grace storage. So everyone, so now the একটু নিচে. So everyone, this is small text. It's very চোখের problem. So reservation publications. Everyone, I hope this is my video, and I hope this all guys my video enjoy. I am always talking virtual data related all content. Everyone, now show that advancing and this properly. So everyone, so now my heart like jai. So I am now this next একটা step grown. So everyone, now this calculations virtual data related all content, but this is my khata, this is my paper, this is my handwriting is this my mouse pad. So everyone, I am always talking virtual data green. So green review 50% 50 review and the good hota hai. So everyone, now the under this circle, so that this calculation I am virtual data related calculation, these marks and the comparison and this all the overall. So everyone, I hope this video enjoy. Next video coming soon. This is not Virokto, my video coming soon. Goodbye, tata.